Anjus universe. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it and hit the like button and the bell button. Whenever I upload new videos, you can see it. So today's recipe is rice noodles. So these are some rice noodles I have taken, and we need some vegetables for this. So here's some chopped leafy onion, some cabbage, some beans, green chilies, capsicum and carrot. I have chopped them into a lengthwise. You can chop however you like it. So like this, fine pieces, and lengthwise I have chopped them. And cabbage also like the same thing I have. And here's some dry spices we need. So little bit of salt. Salt is according to taste. And then black pepper, and this is Ajinomoto. That's it. I'm not going to use any sauce in this recipe since I'm going to eat with manchurian, veg manchurian or any kind of manchurian. So I'm going to make it dry and without any sauce. So let's try this and see how it is.